Hello, everyone. From this video, I hope that you get out of it, maybe something that I used in my conversation that may help you in the future. So my customer conflict was a supply issue with one of my customers. I noticed that they were getting low on their welding wire, and I went back to the branch and had them check on a previous order, and sure enough, it got back ordered from the manufacturer, and it was 7 weeks out. So I wanted to let the customer know, first off, that the item was back ordered and that they were running extremely low, and I wanted to find a solution. So I called them personally and explained the situation and tried to offer a substitute that might work. And so the guy, Joe, said that he would let Carl know and get back with me. So he let Carl know, and then not soon after, I got a pretty nasty email from Carl. And I think that the very beginning of the email states that my level of customer service was unacceptable, and that we need to find a solution, that if they were to switch this wire and the weld was to fail, would my company pay for the damages and the loss of money that the company could make, and if they have to shut down production and blah blah blah. But I noticed the problem and brought it to his attention, and I tried to find a solution. The way that I used an owned message, or the I statement, is that I told him, and I responded to his email, and I said, "Carl, I completely understand your frustration." And I just kind of went on and stated that I was the one that I noticed that there was a problem, and I'm trying to fix it, and that it wasn't my fault, but at the end of the day, the customer doesn't really care. They just want their stuff. But I think by me saying that I completely understand his frustration and being empathetic to his needs, not replying back another mean email to him, that's not really the way to respond. So I think that the way that it was left was good, positive. He never emailed me back, so he must not have been too mad. So I'm hoping tomorrow that this product will be in, and then I'm going to go down and hand deliver it. But, a lot of times, even if it's not your fault, customers are going to blame you, and you have to just take the blame, take the ownership, and just try to provide the best customer service that you can. So that was my conflict. Hope it helps.